How to edit your website? Work on any section by telling the AI. Edit headings. Tell the AI which headings to change, or use the Edit tool to modify text directly on the page. Edit text. Paste your own content or ask the AI to rewrite it in your style. Change images. Upload your own visuals or describe what you want, and AI will create visuals for you. Add products. Upload product photos and descriptions to build your store. Add, remove, or reorder items. Reorder sections, remove buttons, or add new sections, like customer reviews.